While the vivo X100 Ultra stole the spotlight with its OOMP periscope, the company also unveiled mid-season refreshes for the X100 Vanilla and Pro models. The two new models now wear an S tag in their name and feature the new Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. The original X100 series launched with the original 9300 chip. The Plus model boosts the Prime Cortex-X 4-core to 3.4 GHz up from 3.25 GHz and improves the APU performance by 10% on AI tasks. However, the ARM-immortalized G7-0 remains the same. The vivo X100s Pro pairs its chipset with the vivo V3 imaging chip, while the vanilla model still uses the older Vita chip. Like with the 2023 models, the Pro is equipped with a huge 0.98 image sensor IMX989, which makes for a chunkier camera bump. The phone itself is a bit thicker and heavier at 8.91 millimeters and 224 grams, but that also brings with it a higher battery capacity compared to the vanilla model of 5,400. Charging is done at 100 West over USB-C and at 50 West wirelessly. However, now the vivo X100s closes the gap a bit with its new 5,100 mAh battery up from 500 mAh on the regular X100. This is thanks to second-generation silicon battery tech. Charging is wired only and done at 100 West down from 120 West on the original. Even so, the X100s is thinner 7.8 millimeters than both the original X100 8.5 millimeters and the X100s Pro. Thinner, but not lighter, as it weighs essentially the same at 203 grams. An interesting development is that the two S phones have an IP69 rating, with the 9 signifying resistance against powerful high-temperature water jets. This is in addition to the IPX8 rating for submersion in water. That's it for the upgrades. The rest is as before. The two X100s phones have 6.78 LTPO OLED displays 1 to 120 Hz with 1260 by 2800px resolution and 10-bit colors with 100% DCI-P3 coverage. They peak at 3000 nits brightness and use 2160 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. Vivo has developed pixel compensation technology that promises to extend the life of the screen by more than 2 times. Okay, we lied about that being the end of upgrades. The vanilla X100s has a flat display, while the X100 display was curved. We're sure that some will see this as an upgrade. Vivo X100s and X100s Pro arrive with Dimensity 9300 Plus. X100s is thinner and with a flat display. The X100s Pro has the aforementioned 0.98 main sensor with an f1.75 lens 1G7P. It is joined by a 50MP ultra-wide 2.76 f2.0 15mm and a 50MP periscope with a floating lens OIS design 1/2 f2.5 4.3x. Vivo X100s and X100s Pro arrive with Dimensity 9300 Plus. X100s is thinner and with a flat display. The vivo X100s and X100s Pro are available in titanium, white, and black, dark gray with the vanilla version also. Check out the prices below. Both start at 12 to 156 of a gigabyte and top out at 16 gigabytes, 1 terabyte.